Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is video number 22 of our Bengal Fest. This is a very special day for us. This is the first time that we are doing this fest, and we are extremely excited and eager about to see what the response is and what kind of response we get for this collection. Now, again, tussars. Very beautiful tussar sarees. This is as authentic as this get, but if you ask me, this saree seems more like a northeastern saree, because mekhla chador and those kind of Assami sarees have this type of weave, but this is very much woven in Bengal, and it's a beautiful tussar with this reshim weaving in its border and pallu. It's an outstanding saree. If you want a Bengali sari in your wardrobe, then you must have something in jamdani weaving and something in tussars. It is always going to stay in your wardrobe, and it's the most comfortable fabric to drape. So yes, let me just check the pricing of these saris. 11,200 is the price. Now we have a beautiful color in this. It's a very beautiful fresh onion pink. Again, it has this colored resham weaving in its border and pallu. This is how it looks. And this is the pallu. A very beautiful and unique combination. We hardly get to see red with this shade of onion pink, right? So yes, this is it. The process to order is very easy. You just have to comment Bengal Fest in our Instagram comments, and on Facebook and YouTube. If you're watching it on Facebook and YouTube, you make sure you check out the caption, check out the description, and just click on the individual product links that we have provided. All the entire inventory is uploaded on YouTube. Sorry. The entire inventory is uploaded on our website. Just go to our website, make sure you check out the collection called Bengal Fest, and you will get to see all the sarees that we've shown today. Now this is a brilliant shade of brown. Just look at this saree. Very beautiful. And this is the pallu. It's the same design, same pattern, different colors. Let's move to the next one. Now the next one is a beige. It's a classic tussar color. It's a yellowish beige color, very pretty. This is how it looks. And this is the pallu. Please mention in the comments, do you like the collection? How do you find the entire collection? If you want to see more colors, more designs in any particular type that we've shown today, your feedback is very important to us. We are eagerly waiting for the response that we get today. So yes, this is it. It's a beautiful bluish grey color, somewhere in between midnight blue and grey. A very pretty color and combination with red. Let's move to the next one. The last saree of this video, and just look at this color once again. It is a mix of sea green and aquamarine, if you ask me. It's a very different shade. Greenish, bluish color. Very pretty, very unique when it comes with red and yellow in its weaving. This is how it looks. Let me also show you something. Now this particular saree, if you see here, you will see some discoloration. Is it visible? The discoloration in this part. Okay, so there will be this kind of discoloration because these sarees are originally in that tussar beige color, and then they are dyed, and then the weaving part is done. So there are bound to be some irregularities in these sarees. Just be assured that they are hand woven, handcrafted sarees, and flaunt these irregularities with pride. They are not defects. I hope you understand the subtle difference between defect and irregularity here. So yes, this was our collection, and we have many more videos left. We have the entire Kantha collection, Kota sarees left for you, and there is also a special surprise product that we'll be showcasing at the end. Stay tuned. Thank you.